Tell me. Who is handsome?
No one. And I am hungry.
No food. Tell me no. With whom you meet?
With my friends only.
I know you lie with me.
No, I don't lie.
We will see.
Okay. I want change my clothes. Your food is so delicious, Mom.
And your privacy is so secret.
Ha 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 ha, Mom, you are so funny.
You don't tell your mom anything. Thanks.
Mom. There's nothing.
Okay. Let's go to the pharmacy. I need pills. Thanks. Can you give me a bill? Yes, of course.
Oh my God. Is that he?
Sarah? Is that you? I am happy to see you again.
Me too. Oh.
I know she is lie.